Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are in Tongyang and we have some special guests today. We have Zen, her mom, and Michelle. So what we're going to do today, the weather's not looking so great, so we're just going to have some food and just have a rainy day schedule like planned. So let's rock and roll. Alright.
So you have this rice paper. You gotta soak it in the water. Put it. I'm not gonna use this because I have half soaked. So I put it in the water. It's like this. Oops. 이거는 요거 이렇게. This. You put it in a little plate. And you pick up these. You can put anything you want actually. Put the vegetables. Maybe one little pineapple because I like it sweet. Or you pick beef. Put it in. And just wrap it. I'm not good at this, so I'm gonna look ridiculous. Make sure you wash your hands beforehand. Right?
Did you wash your hands beforehand?
I used a hand sanitizer. So, yeah, it's like this.
There we go.
It's not too bad.
Cooking with Zen.
And you dip it in the sauce. It's like peanut sauce, and I don't know what this is. I think it's some kind of fishy sauce. I don't know. I'm eat it. Okay, so this is Carl's second try. On your plate. Or I'll get you a new plate. This is gross. So you can put anything you want actually.
Yeah, it's when you put hot stuff on. That's when it's hard. Now it's the moment of truth. It is the wrapping of...
Yeah, and then use the flat plate next time.
I'm just copying you who used the round one.
Sorry.
Okay, that's a little bit better. There we go.
Sauce.
한 입에
이렇게 싹 열어야 돼. 한 입에. 먹방. 고기. 고기. 또 엄마가 또.
Meat.
Yes. Yes.
She's being very...
What, strategic?
No, she's not putting much food in there just so it's easier.
아니 엄마 먹으면서 넣으면 돼. Wrap it. That's good. Oh. 오, 예쁘겠네. 问一下
All in one.
All of it? Okay. 잠깐, 이거 아까 여기다가. Well done. I can see my face.
You know he's gonna do that.
Dongpirang is a traditional Korean food made of rice powder. It's called, I'm just gonna say, it's like duck. It's called duck, which is rice cake, and this is like a popular food we eat on like Thanksgiving days, called chuseok. And I actually don't know what's in it. It's something sweet's in it, and we steam it and we eat it, and it's fucking delicious.
Now we're gonna have to bleep you out. Hi everyone, so we just stopped at one of the cafes. I think it's called Cafe in the Clouds. It's beautiful. It was really pouring it down with rain when we first got here, but the weather started to relax. You get a nice overall view of Dongyong Sea. It's really pretty. Reminds me of Picton, New Zealand, actually. With all of the different little islands. What else? Tomorrow we're probably gonna go ahead on a cable car. But just imagine this place in the summer when it is warm. You got a little pool with this view. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, we have a car, which is fantastic, which means we can go around. I can imagine it's probably quite difficult to get around on public transport if you want to explore a lot, because it is very quiet here. So yes, our plan is to explore Dongyong today and tomorrow, and then we're going to go to another island on Sunday before heading to Busan. So let's go explore a little bit more. So this is one of the resorts. I'll put the link in the bio. I think it's called CS Resort. It has absolutely beautiful views, and there's a pool and everything, so I can imagine it's really nice in the summer. The hotels are apparently very expensive. Any other extra news?
Check out the views over there.
Yeah, the views, which I will show you next. But yeah, it's really pretty, and you get such a nice view of all of the islands. So yeah, check it out. Hi everyone, so we are ending our first day at their cultural village. We're just at a nice little viewpoint here as we're watching the sun go down in the background. So tomorrow, as you can see, actually the weather's getting so much nicer. Tomorrow we're gonna go get the cable cars and explore Dongyongsi a little bit more, and then on Sunday we plan to do and visit one of the islands. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you for day 2 in Dongyongsi. Then what?
It was too hot.
Then what are you doing? What is this that you're making?
주먹밥.
Which translates to rice
Like a
fish
rice
egg
rolls.
balls. So we're gonna mix it up, and then we gotta make little balls out of it, and then we're gonna have some pork. Michelle has our cider, so she's happy.
Is this like deconstructed kimbap?
Bye.